Hello, my name is Michael Bryden. I'm with Drone Services Gold Coast. We operate both aerial and ground, interior and exterior photography and videography. My former career, I was an airline pilot. I flew 737s and 747s, and overnight one day I became a full-time single parent of my two little girls, and I had to stop flying as a result. And I was planning on when they got old enough to go back to flying. So finally they did get old enough where I was in a position to go back flying, and COVID hit, so I was out of options then. I never planned on getting into real estate photography whatsoever. I simply bought a drone just to have some fun, as I was an airline pilot. However, it evolved from there, and I got into drone videography and photography. And doing a lot of study online, I came across Brad Filipponi, and from there I have just expanded my knowledge of both drone and interior, exterior real estate photography. I got rather frustrated with myself at first because I was trying to find all the information myself. I bought an entry-level camera and the production that I was giving just wasn't good enough. So I was doing a lot of study, a lot of reading, a lot of watching YouTubes of different people try to explain how to do photography. And then I came across Brad Filipponi. His videos were amazing. He has the ability to take something so complex and make it so simple. I got in touch with Brad Filipponi, and I have received his book, which in my opinion is the Bible. It basically is like a checklist, step by step of what to do, what gear is recommended. So I followed that exactly to the law. The exact camera, the flash, the lens, every setup that is recommended, I got. And my work has just improved beyond imagination, and the feedback I'm getting from my clients is great reviews. I can't stress enough, Brad Filipponi's book is, I personally consider it the Bible. So if you are really wanting to get the one-stop shop, I call it, Brad Filipponi's books, and if you have contact with Brad via email or conference, you simply can't go wrong. But above all, the book is just simply the most useful item that I've ever seen in anything to do with photography or real estate.